Today I'm going to teach you how to translate forms with Jotform. This is incredibly useful if you're working with an international audience or simply want to make your forms accessible to people who speak different languages. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This action will take you to a comprehensive list of all the forms you've created with Jotform. Now scroll through your forms and locate the specific form you want to translate. Once you've found it, click on Edit Form to open up the Form Builder. The Form Builder is your main workspace for customizing and configuring everything related to your form. With the Form Builder open, look at the top navigation bar and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your form, including language settings, which we're focusing on today. In the Settings panel, you'll need to click on Show More Options. This expands the menu and reveals additional configuration choices that aren't immediately visible. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available here. Scroll down until you reach the Form Languages section. This is the critical area for translation work. Click on Edit next to Form Languages to open up the language configuration interface. You'll now see the form language options from the drop-down menu. Select your preferred primary language. This will be the default language that users see when they first open your form. But here's where it gets really powerful. In the translation section below, you can add multiple language options for your users. Click on the plus Add Language button. A drop-down menu will appear with an extensive list of languages. Select the language you want to add from this menu, then click plus Add to confirm. You can repeat this process for as many languages as you need, making your form truly multilingual. Finally, switch to the Form Warnings tab. This is often overlooked but equally important. Here you can translate error messages, validation warnings, and button text. This ensures that every aspect of your form communicates clearly in the user's chosen language, not just the main questions. And that's it. You've successfully set up translation options for your Jotform, making it accessible to a much wider audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.